8 of the most harmful foods for the manhood prostate gland. Hello and welcome to this YouTube video about the most harmful foods for the prostate and manhood. The prostate is a small gland in the male reproductive system. It produces seminal fluid, which helps to nourish and transport sperm. Keeping the prostate healthy is important for urinary health and reproductive health. Consuming certain foods can cause harm to the prostate and increase the risk of urinary problems or even prostate cancer. In this video, we will be discussing the most harmful foods for the prostate and how they can affect your health. So, without further ado, let's get into it. In addition to the normal aging of the prostate, having a healthy lifestyle can help reduce inflammation, improve urinary health, and lessen the chances of developing prostatic hyperplasia, prostatitis, and prostate cancer. To prevent negative effects on the prostate, it is wise to limit or avoid certain foods. Here's the list of the most harmful foods and try to minimize their consumption. Alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol is not good for the prostate, as it can worsen symptoms of lower urinary tract issues such as weak urinary flow, inability to completely empty the bladder, or difficulty initiating urination. The diuretic properties of alcohol can make prostate problems worse. Spicy foods. Patients suffering from urinary issues should stay away from spicy food items for the sake of their prostate, as they can irritate the bladder and potentially worsen urinary issues like urgency and incontinence. On the other hand, research has linked components of spicy dishes like capsaicin to beneficial effects in cancer prevention and other illnesses. Saturated fats. Generally, saturated fats are not beneficial for health and specifically do not contribute positively to prostate health due to their high inflammatory capacity. Evidence indicates that diets high in saturated fats can aggravate prostate cancer. Salt. Using too much salt can increase the risk of prostate-related issues such as difficulty urinating or incomplete bladder emptying. It can also worsen symptoms like frequent urination at night. To avoid these issues, use spices instead of salt, which offer anti-inflammatory and other health benefits. Cheese and butter. According to studies from the Mayo Clinic and the Journal of the American Osteopathic Association, cheese and butter are high in sodium and saturated fat, making them less ideal for prostate health. In Western countries, higher dairy consumption correlates with higher prostate cancer rates. Red meat and sausages. Consuming large amounts of red and processed meats like sausages is linked to a higher risk of prostate cancer. Cooking red meat at high temperatures produces acrylamide, a cancer-causing substance. In contrast, chicken and fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, are less harmful and can be beneficial. Processed foods. Studies like the Proteus study conducted in Canada between 2005 and 2012 have shown that consuming processed foods can increase the risk of many forms of cancer, including prostate cancer. The more processed foods people eat, the higher the risk. These processed foods include pre-cooked meals, industrial drinks, hot dogs, cakes, cookies, breakfast cereals, and fast food. Industrial sauces. It is best to avoid store-bought salad dressings and sauces, as they often contain high levels of saturated fat and sodium, which are linked to prostate problems. Now that you know the foods that are most harmful to the prostate, it's crucial to maintain a balanced, healthy diet. Eating a diet low in saturated fat, cholesterol, nitrates, trans fats, and sugar can help reduce your risk of prostate disease and cancer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. If so, kindly comment yes in the comment box to motivate us to produce more content like this. Thank you.